Potatoes is easy, but slicing it into a thin net is a work of art. At this Domino's, the pizza never delivered to the customers late. All because of this fast worker who can make 3 pizza in 40 seconds. At first glance you may think that this Korean chef is only cutting with a speed, but you will shock when you see the amazing results in the end. Watch out, this guy slices watermelon into perfect pieces and in extremely satisfying way. This street food worker places batter flawlessly on the hot griddles. This man set a table in very elegant and efficient way. Combinations of speed and precisions, this woman perfectly portions the batter. These guys don't need any fancy machines, they are doing this by teamwork perfectly. Properly cutting a salmon is not easy, but for this incredible fisherman it takes seconds. There are ordinary shawarma makers, and then there are true ninjas. Right now you are looking at King of Shawarma Maker. One person great at throwing and other person great for throwing makes a perfect combination. We can see a great example. This guy can take out the meat from the shell perfectly. This guy can cook perfectly round pancakes for entire neighborhood more faster than I can cook one for myself. This guy can do it faster than any machines. Chef's cutting skills are of next levels. An extremely incredible teamwork making a mochi. This man can cut a coconut so clean that he did not spill a single drop of what inside.